me see a higher one. Push that limit, dude. Come on, get that speed, big pump up, big tuck. Feel that effort. Look at the acceleration now. See that? Now the acceleration really multiplies. This is the art of skateboarding. You guys can do it. You can master skateboarding and confidence with these skills. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, and the boys. Say what's up, boys.
What's up?
What's up? Today we're gonna teach you guys some important lessons for pumping and learning control and safety. So check it out. First thing we're gonna do here, it's super important you guys know how to knee slide. So let's show them how to knee slide right now. Avi, let me see you run a knee slide. Right there on the flat ground. Perfect. Joey, let me see one. Run fast. That's it. All right, let's get it. Good. Now I want you to pay attention to how they are running and they're pushing off with their last step, diving into those knee pads and then leaning back to counterbalance their slide. If you need more help with this, click this video above to catch up. Before you guys start skating, I want you to check the bowl, check the ramp for any pieces of trees, or maybe let's say, like, look at this. Look at some little pieces of metal here, things that you might hit your wheels on and will make you fall. So stay safe, look for rocks, pebbles, bottle caps, trash, you know, etc. Keep the park clean, everybody. Pick up your trash. One of the most important parts of this is going to be learning to pump. And as you start to learn to pump, you're gonna start in a small, I would say 4.5 to 5.5 foot transition. Maybe a mini ramp, even a little bowl that has a good rhythm back and forth. You're gonna keep that going. So, I have my skateboard down. I want you to notice, I'm giving myself enough space here to get probably 1 or 2 solid pushes. As you're learning, probably 1 big push is what you're gonna have to rely on. So we're gonna start with that first. I'm gonna treat it like I'm a bull, and I mean horns. I'm trying to charge the matador with the red cape, right? So I start to lean into my push. Now look, I lean into my push. I give it a big push, and I hop down, bend down, and big lift up. Start with that. Just start with that alone, because that takes some practice. Getting your footwork right, pivoting, getting your feet locked in, heels and toes matching. Look at my feet. Front foot just behind the front bolts. The equal amount of toes hanging off his heels. That way I'm holding that steering wheel at 10 and 2, which allows me to turn equally, toes and heels the same, as opposed to standing like this. I can lean on my heels for good leverage, but when I go to lean on my toes aren't here to lean on, and I have to fall off the skateboard. As I start to build my rhythm with pumping, really pay attention to feeling the ramps. I know that sounds like some hippie stuff, but this is really important, because as you get good at this, you want the ramps to do the work. Just like if you drop the ball from the top, the ramp is gonna do the work to change direction of the ball. So as I get my feet set, I'm going to bend down, just as if I'm gonna jump off the ground. You cannot jump your body weight off the ground without bending down first. The deeper you bend, the more potential energy and power you have to throw your body weight up into a high jump. You are the refrigerator. You must take that refrigerator off the skateboard if you want that skateboard to roll up the ramp as high as possible. Next, once you get up as high as possible, when to pump down. This is super important. You need to initiate direction change. If you want to make a left-hand turn in the car, you need to start to turn the wheel just as you're going into that turn. You can't start to go into the turn and then try to turn. It'll feel sharp and it won't feel comfortable, right? So same thing here. If you are late to your pump, it'll feel like the carpet gets pulled out from under you as your legs start to extend away. Initiate the direction change by bending down before you start going down that ramp. I'm gonna give it some big pushes. Start bending, then press. Up, start bending, then press. Up, bending, press. Okay, so you can see how tucked I am. Now, when you're tucked like that, you feel the strength in your legs. It's the same position as if I'm gonna stand here and somebody's gonna try to push me over. If I'm standing tall, they push me, I fall over. Avi, come over here and push me. Let me see some power here. Come on. I'm gonna stand here nice and tall. I'm not gonna let you push me. Oh, I didn't stand a chance there, okay? But now, I bend down. I make my legs strong. The power goes through my feet and I grow roots into the ground, so if Avi pushes me, see? Now I can grow roots and push back, right? So that is the goal here. You gain control by your body position, your stance, and when you initiate direction change. First thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna line ourselves up to be straight. Now, to figure out how to skate straight, you're gonna either put a little blue piece of tape on the ground, or if you look down right now, you see that drain right there in the center? That drain is gonna be our center point, especially in a bowl. The drain is typically in the center, and you can use that to know when you go up the ramp and come backwards, are you running over the drain? So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start really far back here, up against the first transition to leave enough flat bottom to get some good pushes. He's gonna push real hard, hop on his board, set his feet, and he's gonna bend down and start lifting up just before he hits the ramp. Big pushes, big pushes. Gets those feet set, big lift up, big tuck, big press. And now, this is where he starts to get his feet locked in. Look at those feet. Heels and toes matching, keeping his shoulders with the skateboard. Notice the head movement, keeping the head in between his feet on the skateboard. And he turns and looks just as he starts to come backwards or forwards. So when you change direction, you turn and look. Turn and look. Keeping the shoulders with the board, keeping the arms with the skateboard. Get that front foot up. Nice big deep breath. Look at where you're going. Go ahead, give it a big push. Big pushes. Lock those feet in, big pump up, big tuck, big pump. Good. Now, the bigger the transition, the harder it is to get that start. So practice, and you might need to start a smaller transition first. Ari's doing fantastic. Look at the feet are equal. Look at the shoulders. Okay, hey, now, this is when I want you to start to gain control and keep it equal, just like a swing set. So hey, only hit the blue line, no higher than the blue line, and keep it equal on this side. Next important point, find your rhythm. It should feel the same on both sides. Nice and equal, you're building control. Good, dude, good. As this becomes easy, you start to push the limit. All right, let me see you add a little bit more power. Up, bigger tuck, little big snapper up, and you measure. So you could put some tape lines and use those as your measurements. So if you're in a 7-foot bowl, put it at 5.5 feet and get comfortable with that. And then use that measurement accordingly. How many inches past the blue tape can you go till you start to panic? All right, good job, dude. As you start to get comfortable with your rhythm, you're pumping back and forth. This is skateboarding. The biggest thing for you is learning to control your panic, okay? This is the art of skateboarding. This is the big difference between everything else in skateboarding. As you are pumping, your brain is gonna start to panic and it's gonna start to play games with your confidence. Remember, take that deep breath. Treat this like a swing set. It's just a bigger swing set with no chains. Focus on that rhythm. Find that rhythm like you're dancing to a song and keep your rhythm. Start to build that trust and confidence in your rhythm and loosen up. Focus on your breathing. Focus on your timing. Get comfortable. Where's your head? Where are your shoulders? When are you tucking into your pump? And as you start to get good with that, you'll begin to find the calmness. When you find that calmness, you'll know deep inside that you're getting better and it gets easier for you. Then you can start to push your limits incrementally, push those limits. Here's the next advanced exercise for you to learn how to bail. Perfect. Easy?
Yeah.
Good. Feel comfortable?
Yeah.
That's what you want to ask yourself. Are the things you're doing feeling comfortable, feeling easy, feeling natural? If so, you're doing it right. Avi, back in here. Let me see a higher one. Push that limit, dude. Push that limit. Let me see you get up there. Come on. Big pushes, big pump, really reaching, big tuck. Look at when he's tucking. Look at that body work. Big stretch up, big tuck into his pump. Okay, getting ready. Getting ready. At the top, 1, 2, 3. Good, good, good. Try one more time, and I want you to do it just as you're about to come to a stop. Just before you come to a stop on the other side right here, tuck down and into that knee slide. That way you won't be rolling down and trying to get off your board. Get some. Big pushes, big pushes. Look at that body really bending down, really reaching up into that big tuck. Good, look at the shoulders. Much better. And that feel easier?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, awesome, dude. Joey, you're up.
Avi, is that scary?
No.
No? You think that's important to practice?
Yeah.
How come?
Because if you don't practice it, you can break something or make yourself really bloody.
Yeah, the big thing is he's totally right. Like, as you get confident in your bails and sliding out, it's more confidence, it's more control, it's less panic because you have trust in knowing that, hey, I can get off of this and be safe. So you can start to push that limit even more. Get it, boy. Big pushes, big pushes, big pushes. Bending down, big snap up, big tuck. Good. Bigger snap up, bigger tuck. Good. Work those quads. Big tuck. Good. Get nice and low. Up, bigger pump. That's right. Good, Joey. Look at the shoulders matching the board. Look at the head. Keeping the shoulders with the board, just turning the head as he comes to a stop. Awesome. Look at that, pushing that limit. You're doing good. Nice and relaxed. You want to try that bail? Slow down a little bit. Slow down a little bit. Just before you come to a stop, let yourself lean forward. Lean forward and into your knee slide. Perfect, dude.
Dang, good job, Joey.
Good job. Proud of you, man. That was awesome. So, as you can tell, with the swing set, it comes down to timing, right? So right at that sweet spot when you were about to pause, just like on the swing set, before you change direction to come backwards or forwards, that's when you can get into your knee slide. All right, next. Ari, you're gonna be brave?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to try it the opposite way now. As you skate up and you start coming backwards, just before you come to a stop, as you're skating forwards, you're gonna lean and turn into your knee slide. Make sense?
Yeah.
So just like this, look. Big pump up the ramp here. Look, you're just gonna turn and lean over and then knee slide down the ramp. Yeah, there you go, there you go. And you'll turn and knee slide on that side.
The turn you say on that side?
Yes, because this is gonna be your upside. So do it on the upside, okay? Just like if you were gonna kick turn. Good, look at those feet. They look great, dude. I'm so proud of you guys. You've been putting in the work and it shows. Gonna be rippers. Big pump up, big tuck. Big pump up, big tuck. Okay, get ready for that knee slide. Just before you come to a stop. Just before you come to a stop. 1, 2, 3. Good job, dude. See? Now, he did that perfect. So I want you guys to start with those. That will help you with controlling your panic. Say you get too high, you can get off, okay? And you can be safe. The best part about your knee slides, you don't have to run off. Once your knees touch the ramp, start to relax. Let the ramp do the work to slide you down. A little pro tip here is, as I'm knee sliding, if I get to the flat bottom here, say I hear that skateboard rolling behind me, chasing me, look at how my feet are. See, instead of keeping my feet like this, I'll lift my core up and off the ground. That way I can make my shoes like wall. So if that board comes, it'll hit the back of my shoes and not ram into my back.
What about the fact that he put his hands down?
You can put your hands down. Yeah, you can put your hands down. I would say try to refrain from doing that. Try to relax and keep your butt to your heels and counterbalance your slide by leaning back. He had to put his hands down because he leaned forward, and your body goes where your head goes. So if you lean forward, you're gonna dive forward. You just wanna relax and lean back. The steeper the ramp, look, the steeper the ramp, as you do your knee slide, the more you're gonna counterbalance and lean back, okay? So if it's a mellow ramp, you can just do this much. Super steep ramp, you can really lean back and almost put your hands behind you. Next. Avi, get in there. Right now, I want to see a clip of you. Just start here and show me your best. Yeah, just pump and relax and enjoy the ramp. Use the drain as your center. Get yourself lined up. Let me see some pumping, okay? Big pushes, big snap up, big pump. Get those feet right. Let the ramp do the work. And look how fast he gets up there. And he doesn't weigh that much. So it's technique and timing. Good, dude. Good. Nice and relaxed. Look at how calm he looks. Nice and relaxed. Maintaining control and effort. Look at that. Every time you can start to hit the same height on both sides. Just like a swing set. Come on, get that speed. Big pump up, big tuck. Bigger pump up, bigger tuck. Good, dude. Look at the effort of bending the knees, sinking that body weight down for a low center of gravity. The best part of that low center of gravity is if you fall, you're lower and closer to the ground to a knee slide. Bigger pumps. That's right. Come on, Joey, push that limit. Let me see those front wheels up in the box. Front wheels up in the box. Come on, dog. Ooh, you're so close. Come on. Confidence. Commitment. Keeping that rhythm. Focus on your breathing. Oh, you're so close. Little help? No, he's getting it. Come on, bigger tuck. Ah, come on, Joey. Come on, bigger snap up, bigger tuck. That's it. Ah, he's getting tired. He's getting tired. Ah. Ari, back in here. You want to get the box or you want water?
I want to get the box.
You want to get the box? Dude, that's pretty far up there.
No way up to the box. It's like, oh, my wheels just go over the box.
All right, all right. Come on, come on, come on. Big push, big deep breath, big snap up, big tuck. Yeah, Ari. Nice smooth rhythm, way to save it. Stay relaxed, focus on your breathing.
Oh, you're close, Ari.
Good. Good, dude. Big tuck, good. Bigger tuck on this side, bigger tuck, good. Bigger pump up, bigger tuck. Ah, you're standing too long. Start your tuck sooner up here. Up, start tucking. That's it. Smoother pumps. Smooth. Good, that's it. Little harder. Little harder. Oh, you're so close. Let me see some hands. Let me see some hands. Ah, come on, give me more. A few more. Big pump. Come on. A little bit more, look. Hey, there you go. Find that confidence. Up. He's tired. He's dying out. Oh. The next super important point here. When you're starting out, say I put my skateboard down. I give it my first push. It is extremely important to try to give it your best and biggest pump from your first pump. If you don't do that, you'll burn your legs out from getting tired because you'll get stuck, especially in a big transition. You won't make it to that sweet spot. And for big transition, that sweet spot is probably, I'd say, around 3 feet from the flat bottom. So like this, look, if I start here and I push and I'm not pumping that hard, I'm pumping, right? Oh, but my timing is a little off. I'm not pumping too early, right? It's so hard to get past this point. Even if I really start to get that effort, right? But once I start to get up here to like, right, I'd say like right here, look, 3 foot, now I can feel that effort. Look at the acceleration now. See that? Now the acceleration really multiplied. So again, the goal here is to let the ramps do the work. Focus on your timing and your technique. Try to remain calm, focus on your breathing, staying straight, and build trust through your practice. You guys can do it. You can master skateboarding and confidence with these skills. I want to thank you guys for helping me teach this. You guys did awesome today. So high five, high five, high five. And thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you guys learn a bunch of stuff. Do you guys hope it helped people?
Yeah.
Okay, good, good, good. Click the description box below to check out all the awesome companies that support the channel. If you want to see more of these videos, help support me and what I'm doing, consider sending a donation or signing up for a membership. I look forward to making more videos for you. Thanks again for watching. Ready, go.
What? What are we doing?
That's right.
What? What are we doing?
Where's my high five at? Yeah. Super sunny in here and oh, it's super sunny in here and it'll make us look good. Look at the camera. Smile.
What do we do next?
Thought you never asked.
All right, listen.
Joey, you're a beast. How do you do, Ari? How do you do?
Good.
All right, fine. Thanks for your enthusiasm.
Because if you don't practice it, you can break something or make yourself really bloody.
Hey, good job.
More.
No more?
No more.
Oh, you want more? Okay. Hey, you'll get more. Ready?
Yeah.
Don't look at me. Look at the camera. Ah! All right, ready? Ready? Set. Ready, set, go.